Welcome to our channel Electrical and Control Engineering. We provide the research simulations in the field of optimization, especially power systems and renewable energy resources.
First of all, let's today discuss the simulation of LTS SPICE. This is a three-phase system, three-phase power system, having a resistive and inductive load. So these are three sources, V1, V2 and V3. Let's click on edit. Here click on components. So when you click on component, so here you can type whatever you need. Like suppose you need a voltage source. So when you here type a voltage, so here a voltage source can be, if you write here a resistor, capacitor, or any component, you will type it here, you will find it, click on it and paste this in the LTS SPICE. So it's very easy. We have pasted a voltage source, right click on it. So here is, if you want to pulse mode, a sine wave, whatever voltage source you want to, here the voltage magnitude of the that sine wave, the peak voltage. Here the frequency of that one, time period, on and off, number of cycles for which you want to simulation. So as it is a single phase source, so if you want to simulate at three phase, so it has to be shifted by 120 degree. So here it is a magnitude of peak 112 kV magnitude of peak voltage, and the second one similarly its voltage should also be this one, but it should be phase shifted by 120. So we as 1 2, so this is the 120. The third one will be 240 phase shifted, the same 112 kV voltage, so it will be a 240 phase shifted. So now we have a three phase system, 120 phase shifted these. So now we want to insert these inductor and capacitor mixed load. So we have to insert inductor and a resistor. So here we have already inserted. Here you can change the values of this inductance values. Suppose in the graph, in the diagram, it's around 95, so we put it, the resistance at 80 ohm. So we have changed it. So the second phase we have to change the 80 ohm and 95 milli. Here right click on it, so make it 95.45 milli Henry inductance. Click OK. So now click on resistance, right click, type it at 80 ohm. And similarly for third phase, 80 ohm and type here 80 and 95 millihenry, and here type here 80 ohm. So here we have inserted all three loads as per block diagram. So here we want to simulation the AC analysis, DC transient analysis. So we want to do an transient analysis. So here it will be specified. Suppose we want to simulate it for 1 second. So here run it, click on run. If you run, here a graph will be displayed. It will be start simulating, and graph per 1 second will be displayed. What you can say. So here if you click on a node, so let's wait for a complete simulation completion. If you click a component, so still so these are three loads. This is the common fourth point, and so fourth point is grounded. So when the simulation is completed, it will be simulator. So if you click on any component, the current will be shown on that component. If you click on any node, so the voltage will be shown at that node. So if we click on this node, at this second node phase B VB, and here it will be VC, third phase voltage. So first phase current, the inductor current, and the second inductor current, third IC. So it's totally dependent. As let's change the time, simulation time, as we have 5 simulation cycles. So again run it. So we have reduced the time. Simulation just reduce the time. So VA, so this phase A current, similarly the inductor current, the phase B voltage, if you click on it, phase B here, and similarly phase B current, and the third node voltage, if you click on it. So these are phase voltages. This is the currents, phase currents.